guys. Ikutin guys.
Teka. Gitu gaya edit ya. Satu kali. Asik. Sat. Gitu tuh. Satu, dua, tiga. Sabar, tahan. Satu, dua, tiga. Nice. Lagi sekali, gitu deh. Cuma dapat fokus benar.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict. Do I gotta have it? I ain't even playing. Got a really bad.
Ay, lujap. Terlalu lujapan.
Like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Iya. Yes.
I take shots to the top, I'll get it. I got one life, I'ma do all to win it. I do what's right, push until I fall. I'm slipping to get back up, always stand tall, I'm grinning. I got cuts real deep in, bruised and scarred. I had to learn how to think with my head and my heart. I've been chewed up, spit out, torn apart. But picking up all the pieces is a form of art. Never gonna look back.
Ah, gitu ya. Gitu.
You move slow and I move fast. And that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Apa pose memikirkan mantan? Ngasang gitu pose ya. Coba memikir mantan saya dulu sih. Gitu. Tapi ngerno oleh lo asli lo kamera ya. Pose memikirkan mantan. Oke, 1, 2, 3. Lagi sekali. Gaulun. Ini namanya pose aja. Kita kulinoga. Tuh. Ya. 1, 2, 3.
feels like a test that I fail, so depressed.
Oke, apa
I
kali ya?
can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired.
Mau lihatin jerawat?
Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do
Aku juga
what I
kan
want.
di sana mulai. Gercerang ya, gercerang.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth.
Mantap.
Desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Ya. Coba lagi. Keluar nggak? Pulang. Let's go.
Living life every
Oke.
day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer.
Nice.
I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an X-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate.
Coba di sini, kapok.
Days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah, that's all great. But I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I
Mantap.
pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
2, 3.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time,
Pulang
I'd
sudah?
tell myself that everything will end
Belum
up alright.
puas.
Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like. And find
Coba di
your
sini,
limits,
Ding.
don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds.
Rapat
People
di sini,
can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel
Kissing gitu
alive.
apa ya?
Find a passion, take
Itu
some
plastik di
action,
bawah.
and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Oke, sekali lagi habis ya. Di sini. Terserah itu.
They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. And I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough.
Sekarang kita pulang deh.
Kick you while you're down.
Pulang.
They wanna rise up while you drown.